Hi, hello everyone. It is Nabhanita from Professional Hut. I just want to address all the students who are planning to write the CMA exam in the month of September 2020, the current notification which has come from the institute. So, in this global pandemic, we all are at home and staying safe, and rather to say, staying healthy. And I just want to address you one important note: get the preparation done and try to attempt the exam as it is proposed in the month of September 2020. So we already have two sets of notification wherein our exams got postponed from the month of June, which was all the years it was scheduled, and then again it got into the month of July 20th, and then further shifting has taken place in the month of September. We all are helpless and just unfortunately the prey of the situation. Never mind. So I have one important note to watch out, those who are viewing my page Professional Hut, and kindly listen to this important video what I'm just sharing with you all. Those who are planning to write some examinations in the month of September, like earlier you have not planned and decided that you will be writing in the month of December, and now we just got a little bit of time so that we can have the preparation and get our crash courses done and just get prepared for the month of September. For them, I have a small news. If anyone is interested, kindly ping me in the Professional Hut page and let me know your area of interest, in which group, specifically in which subject you want to take it up. I am there always to help you out in that, because my plan is to start off the crash course right from the group 1 till the group 4, even the foundation also, if at all people are looking for it, based on individual or package of the entire group as well. So those who are interested, kindly let me know. Ping me in the Professional Hut page, and also at the end of the video I'll just share my phone number as well. You can just ping me there also and let me know your area of interest. We can finish it because we still have the entire July and August in hand, so we can just finish it within a 30-day crash course, as I keep doing that for all these years. But this time we just got an opportunity to sharpen our skills instead of letting it go like that. So please let me know in case all of you are willing to go for it, for the professional examination in a crash course format. Group 1, 2, 3, 4, either of the papers, all the entire block as a whole. It's my pleasure to serve you, and stay home, stay safe, keep your preparation up to the mark, just keep sharpening your skills and just let it not deteriorate at this global pandemic. Thank you so much. And my phone number at which you can keep me posted about your requirement is 97400 Repeating once again, 97400 You can send me your message or WhatsApp, or just can give me a call at your convenient time. By chance, if I don't pick up, I'll definitely call you back without fail. Thank you so much.